How to disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. So first of all, open your Windows and on the search bar, search for the settings. Once you open the settings, you will see the interface like this. From the left side, you have to tap on the option of privacy and security. Under this, tap on Windows Security. Here you will see different options. Tap on Virus and Threat Protection. Once you click on that, you will see different options. If you scroll down a bit, you will see Virus and Threat Protection settings. Tap on Manage Settings. After that, you will see the real-time protection. If it is turned on, toggle it off. This way you have to give permission as yes, and you can turn off the settings for a short period of time. However, it will be turned on automatically. So this was one way by which you could disable Windows Defender for a short period. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.